The electrode needs to be shaken a few times before installation to ensure that there are no bubbles at the bottom of the electrode. Hold the right side of the ref electrode with your hand and shake on the palm of your left hand a few times. Hold the right side of the ref electrode and shake it a few times. Tap the bottom of the electrode to pour the inner crystal to the right half. Pour the bubble on the left slowly to the right. This step is critical. Now the electrode is okay. Open the machine door, and then open the electrode box door. Stuck in the electrodes in order from left to right. Pay attention to the sealing ring on the side of the electrode when installing. Tighten the knob on the right and close the electrode box door. Clip one end of the pump tubing into the bracket. Hold the inner side of the other end and pull along the pump wheel towards the other end of the bracket and stuck in. Close the machine door.